Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the KK Tank T5, and on this video we are going to explore one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function, or the music control function. This smartwatch do have at least 3 features for music. It is the phone mode, the watch mode, and we have the TWS earphone mode. Imagine that we have at least 3. Unlike other smartwatches that it has a phone mode only, this one do have at least 3. So we'll explore at least 2 of the feature, the phone and the watch mode. So we'll check it, we'll explore it, and see if what are the features included in the music control. So if you are interested to know more about its music control function of the Tank T5, watch this video, and of course if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the Tank T5 music control function. This smartwatch do have a music control function, and there are at least 3 options. Let's put this aside. Let's go first with the watch mode. In the watch mode, as you can see here, we do have the phone mode, the watch mode, and the Bluetooth headset, or the TWS earphone. In the watch mode, you can listen to the loaded music here in the smartwatch. You can add your own MP3. The wearable do have a storage, at least 4 GB of memory for the storage space for the music and other files. And as you can see here, we have at least several MP3 sounds here. How can you transfer music here? We do have a transfer cable that works as a charging cable also. Just plug it in your PC or laptop, USB type A, and you can transfer files here in the smartwatch. I think you can also do that with a support app. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can only add video, you can convert video here and transfer images, but not MP3 file. I guess they will update this app, I'm pretty sure about that, and add this functionality soon. But right now, you can only transfer files here in the smartwatch with a transfer cable. Anyway, let's try. Let's have a demo of the watch mode music control feature. So we have here the volume adjustment, and we have, so this one, I guess this is random, this is, I think, rotation something, replay, and this one by sequence. And we have here the list of songs. Let's try to play it here. It's just the volume. Okay, so it works. I don't want to make it loud. I am avoiding any copyright issues. I'm not sure if this is copyright or not. Just the volume. Okay, stop. Go to the next song. Next. Unchained Hearts. And next. Okay. So we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 songs here. Okay, we have the title of the song. You can pick from the list here. And you can also switch from watch mode to phone mode. To use the phone mode, meaning with the phone mode, you can control the music player on your smartphone. You can also control YouTube or YouTube Music or Spotify. So if you want to switch to phone mode, just tap here and we are on the phone mode. Just open the built-in music player here. Let's check. We have here. I'm going to next, go back, stop. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player here. If we are going to open the YouTube app, I think we can also control this application here. So let's try. Let's wait for it to load first. Okay, so with the YouTube app, so let's try this one. So for the YouTube video, so let's try to play the next. Yes, it works. Next video. Go back and stop. Play. Yes, it is working with the YouTube app also. Again, it works with our built-in music player, the YouTube app, and we'll try if it works with our Spotify app here. Let's try to check if it works with Spotify. Again, I adjusted the volume to avoid any copyright issues. So let's play. We have an ad here. Let's wait for it. So just 20 seconds. Okay, it's now playing. Next. Yes, it works. You can control the Spotify app here in our Tank T5. Next song. Stop. Play. Next. Stop. Yes, it works with the Spotify app. It works with the built-in music. YouTube, we did not try for the YouTube Music, but I think it also works. So that's it for the demo, exploring the music control function of the Tank T5, both the phone mode and the watch mode. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course if you find the video useful, like, share and subscribe.